earthquake strikes Jalalabad, locals and Taliban rush to help the injured. A powerful earthquake shook the city of Jalalabad and its surrounding areas in Afghanistan earlier today. The tremor measured 6.0 on the Richter scale according to initial reports. The quake caused panic among residents, with people rushing out of their homes as buildings and structures shook violently. Several houses and buildings have been damaged, and dozens of people are reported injured. Local residents, along with Taliban officials, immediately launched rescue operations. Videos on social media show people carrying the injured on stretchers and even on the shoulders to nearby hospitals due to a lack of proper emergency facilities. According to the German Research Center for Geosciences, the epicenter of the quake was recorded in Nurgal district of Kunar province. Authorities have warned that the number of casualties may rise as rescue teams continue to assess the situation. Rescue workers and locals are working hand in hand to provide emergency assistance, while officials have urged people to move to safer areas and stay alert for aftershocks.